Let's make a delicious and easy atol de elote. In total, we're going to need 5 cups of milk. I'll be using organic grass-fed milk. To blend the corn, we're using 1.5 cups of it. Next, I'll add 568 grams of organic sweet yellow corn. The traditional way of making atol uses young white corn on the husk. It's difficult to find, so this is the next best thing. Blend the corn very well. Now I'll be pouring it into a nut milk bag. You can also use a thin white kitchen towel. The purpose of this step is to squeeze out as much liquid as possible while leaving the rest of the corn in the bag. This can take a while and can be a nice grip exercise. Set aside once you're done, and you can discard the corn or use it for compost. In a pot, pour 3 cups of milk, and add 2 sticks of cinnamon. Since we're using yellow corn, I think it has less starch than young white corn. To counter this, we need to use the remaining half a cup of milk and add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Make sure to mix it very well to dissolve it completely. This is very important. Place the pot of milk on the stove and use a medium-high heat. You need to move it constantly to avoid it sticking to the pot. Now bring it to a simmer. Once it's simmering, we can add the blended corn liquid. Keep stirring. Then 4.5 tablespoons of sugar. Add more if you like it sweeter. Also add a pinch of salt. Next, let's add the cornstarch we dissolved in the milk. Once you do this, you'll notice that it starts to thicken. Keep stirring until you see it come to a gentle simmer. Once that happens, turn off the heat and it's ready to serve. This is a great warm and comforting drink. Top it off with some powdered cinnamon or drink it as is. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you make it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.